In this video, we will learn how to build event-driven workflows in AutoKitteh. Consider a simple monitoring workflow, where a webhook starts the process that records the start time and a name given in the URL. The second webhook signals completion and logs the result. Let's build this with AutoKitteh. Initialize an AutoKitteh project. Create a trigger webhook to start the workflow in the function onTrigger. Create a webhook for the completion event. There is no need to define a callback function. It will be handled in the code. Let's code the workflow. Once a webhook is received, the entry function will be called and a workflow will start running. Log the name from the webhook and the start time. Subscribe to the second webhook and wait for it by calling the next event function. We will use a filter so only events with event type equal get shall be processed. Let's deploy and trigger the workflow by sending an HTTP request. The workflow is now running and waiting for the second webhook. Let's send the second webhook. Great, as expected, the workflow is now completed. The next event function can wait forever or for a limited time. To add a timeout, add timeout parameter given in seconds. If the function exits because of a timeout, the event will be set to none. Suppose we want the second event to contain the name that appeared in the first event or ignore the event otherwise. We can add a filter by using the CEL, Common Expression Language Filter. Here, only events that match the name in the query will be processed. This pattern works for any event source, Slack, Gmail, or other services, enabling you to build long-running, event-driven applications quickly and reliably. But what if hours or days pass between events and the server restarts? With AutoKitteh, the workflow's state is persisted. Even after a restart, the workflow resumes right where it left off, ensuring reliability without additional infrastructure overhead.